here at the Yakima River where it's in flood stages right now. It's broke through the banks and starting to flood. Unusual warm weather melted all the ice and snow around here. And the Yakima River's flooding like crazy right now. We're outside of Sela, real close to our house. Flooded really bad. Chunks of debris floating down. The river's really swollen and they say it's going to get worse. That was all field over here. You can see where the bank was supposed to have been along the tree line. It's broken through. Flooded really bad on the other side. It's gotten up into the houses over here. It's actually flooded around this house. A lot of debris coming down. Flooded over here. There comes some big logs. This normally doesn't have water in through here. Let's see, there's a house back there that's completely surrounded now. It's really flooded around this house bad. And if you can make out the trampoline in between the trees. Got that house completely surrounded by water right now. Wow. Water's all through here. Water's normally not right here. This house is totally surrounded. Flooding has really gotten bad. It's heading towards the freeway now. Yes. This is about half a mile from my house. Unreal. Turned into a lake. Bad. fence line that's down there all the way under the water. More of the Yakima River.